Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to make these lovebirds. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, we're gonna start with the heart. So we have a 260, and you're gonna inflate it to its entirety. Okay, and then burp your balloon. Now you can tie it off, or you can do this all in one step, because we're gonna make a circle anyway. So you might as well do it all in one step to save a step. Make a circle by tying both ends together, okay? And this is gonna be the bottom of the heart, okay? In this design, honestly, you don't have to do it as a heart. You can keep it as a circle and you'll understand momentarily. But to make the heart, just go ahead and shape it as a heart, okay? And then you're gonna pinch, okay? To make a shape, okay? And you're gonna do the top. Same thing with the other side. Okay? We want it to keep its shape. Okay? See the heart? Alright, so you're going to toss that aside momentarily. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton. And it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make the lovebirds. So you're going to take your 260 and you're going to inflate it. You're going to leave about 4 or 6 fingers length. Okay, burp it, tie it off, roll your knot so we can get a little extra length. Okay, now we're going to start with the tail of this lovebird. Okay, so I normally do about a fist and a thumb, okay? And we twist, okay? And then we're gonna start with the body of the first lovebird. I use my whole hand for my measurement. I'm holding this bubble against me, and I'm pinching and twisting, okay? So you should have this. Hold your first and last bubble, okay? Now you're gonna fold, a fold twist, pinch, and twist. So you should now have that, okay? Now we're going to roll this bubble through here. It's a 3 bubble roll through. So we're going to measure a bubble, and then we're going to roll it through. And as we're rolling it through, we're lifting the other bubble. Just trust the process. It will go through. Hold on, let me go this way. Hold on. Let's do that again. Start with your body. Your tail. Then your body. Fold twist. Measure your bubble. Push it through. Okay? Now you have this. Now we're going to do, I'm giving you a visual of what you're doing here. You're creating 2 lovebirds. So we just did the tail and the body. Now we're going to do the head of one of the lovebirds, okay? So we're going to do about a 1-inch bubble, but we're going to have a second lovebird. So we're going to do 2 1-inch bubbles. Pinch and twist. Now we have to do the body for this one, okay? And so hold this all up against you and measure. Pinch and twist. Okay. Fold it, twist, and then you're gonna do that bubble, that 3 bubble roll through again. Pinch and twist. Now, while you're doing this, your 2 1-inch bubbles probably will come apart, but you can put them back in place once you've done your 3 bubble roll through. Now the tip on this is if you make this too small, it might be a little more challenging. So make it a little larger, okay? So you can see the indentation where the 1-inch bubbles were, so just sort of twist it. Now we're going to take the 2 lovebirds and we're going to twist where the tail and the body meet and twist it. And now you have your lovebirds, and this is the tail. If you have any air left, that means you could have inflated a little more, not a big deal, okay? You can just go ahead and bend it and you can tie this off, okay? I'm just gonna do a little cut here. And I'm just gonna tie. And I'm gonna cut that excess off, okay? So then, this is what you have. Then you go ahead and get your heart, and right here where you tied both ends together, you're going to slide that right into the bottom where the tails and the bodies meet, okay? Turn this over so you can see. And just twist it in, okay? And so remember I said you can make this a circle so the lovebirds can just be on a swing, okay, like in a cage. So just adjust everything, and then you're gonna take your Sharpie or your dry erase marker, those work as well, and you're gonna go ahead and do the details. So I normally do, I don't know, I guess I call them an upside down view or something like that for the eyes. That's what I do for the eyes. See if you can see that, okay? And then for the body, on both sides, I just do a little, I don't know what I call them, a little, like a 3, I guess, something like that. I do that on, or a little squiggle, you can call them squiggles, okay? But artwork is up to you, however you do your artwork. And there you have your lovebirds. Thanks for watching.